Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Love Pakistan, Build Pakistan, and I'm me Aziz. Uh, Today's the video is part 14. Still climbing up. Weather is getting changed, getting cold, and I had to park my motorcycle in the back to see if I can go through this path to up on the mountain to take a shortcut. So I had to walk uh, to see if I can go through the motorcycle to cross the mountain. It's kind of shortcut, and now I'm gonna try. Yeah, I can take the motorcycle through this little trail and climb up. I'll see you there. I am literally in the jungle trying to cross one mountain to take a shortcut because I'm way behind, and I'm gonna show you the way I'm going. There is no road, just little path. Hardly you can drive a motorcycle on it. Let me show you the way. This is the one I have to cross, go over. I'm trying to find a trail goes along with it to go other side of this mountain. Will save me 4 or 5 hours going through the road, then going through the jungle. So uh, let's see how far I can go top on this on the motorcycle. Today is Monday, and it's been 2 days. I left my group and I continue my journey towards snow mountains, and I'm going through the area. I don't think there is any motorcycle been through that, or anybody took that route. Is literally I'm sitting in the jungle. There's nothing but woods, mountain, because I'm trying to take a shortcut before the sunset. Beautiful, very peaceful place. I guess this place is much better. I feel relaxed than a concrete jungle. I guess I'm not scared from this jungle than concrete jungle, where the what I can say, humans lives worse than animals. And in this jungle, I'm not scared from any jungly animals, or yeah, I guess animals in the jungle. I'm not scared for as much as I'm scared from the people who live in concrete jungle in the cities. In my last travel, I lost a lot of things in my life, and in this journey, second time, which I'm going further down or further up in mountains. My first bike ride, it was more than 12-hour continue ride. Then my second continue ride was more than 14 hours. Then my third motorcycle ride was more than 15 hours. And my this trip, I drove more than 18 hours straight motorcycle. This time I'm not carrying much stuff with me, just a couple pants, warm clothes, because I know the weather is getting changed rapidly and getting cold. Right now it feels good sitting in the shade of trees under the sun, not much cold. Got my heavy boots on me, tough jeans, and like a sweatshirt, and my motorcycle with couple stuff. Uh, Last night I wasn't feeling good. I didn't sleep much, maybe a few hours, and but I had to continue my journey. So after the breakfast, I lay down again, took some medicine, and after that, I got on my motorcycle and continued riding. There is no human around here. There is nothing around here, actually, nothing but woods and mountain behind me, which I have to cross over. Biker life, bike trip, love Pakistan, build Pakistan, and I'm Aziz. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, I forgot to mention the area I'm going through now. There is no cell phone service, there is no net, so wish me best of luck. I will upload my videos when I get to wherever I get signals or safe point. So right now, middle of the jungle, no net, no phone, me and my motorcycle. And here is my Honda, which I'm riding through the jungle. No roads, no trails. It's crazy. I guess I'm crazy. Take care. Bye. Yeah, I forgot to mention the area I'm going through now. There is no cell phone service, there is no net. So wish me best of luck. I will upload my videos when I get to wherever I get signals or safe point. So right now, middle of the jungle, no net, no phone, me and my motorcycle. And here is my Honda, which I'm riding through the jungle. No roads, no trails. It's crazy. I guess I'm crazy. Take care. Bye.